Imagine having the freedom to access extra cash whenever you need it, without the hassle of traditional loans or credit checks. That's what Beforepay offers. But how can you maximize your access to funds and make the most of this innovative financial tool? In this video, we'll dive into practical strategies and tips to help you get more money on Beforepay. Hook. Have you ever found yourself in a tight spot, needing a quick cash infusion for an unexpected expense? Maybe it's a medical emergency, a car repair, or simply the last-minute opportunity. Beforepay can be a lifesaver in these situations. But how do you ensure you're getting the most out of this service? Understanding Beforepay basics. Before we delve into the strategies, let's quickly recap what Beforepay is. It's a salary advance app that allows you to access a portion of your earned but unpaid salary. This can be a convenient way to bridge the gap between paychecks and cover unexpected expenses. Key strategies to increase your Beforepay limit. Consistent use. The more you use Beforepay responsibly, the more likely you are to increase your borrowing limit. Regular, small advances can demonstrate to the app that you're a reliable borrower. Early repayments. Make a habit of repaying your advances as soon as possible. This shows financial discipline and can lead to a higher credit limit. On-time payments. Always ensure you make your regular salary payments on time. Late payments can negatively impact your creditworthiness and may limit your Beforepay access. Positive payment history. Maintain a positive payment history with other financial institutions. Lenders often consider your overall credit profile when assessing your eligibility for loans and advances. Increase your income. If possible, explore ways to increase your income. A higher salary can often translate to a higher Beforepay limit. Build a relationship. Develop a positive relationship with Beforepay's customer support. If you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to reach out. A strong relationship can be beneficial in the long run. Additional tips. Set a budget. Create a budget to track your income and expenses. This will help you make informed decisions about when and how much to borrow. Avoid overborrowing. Be mindful of your spending habits and avoid borrowing more than you can comfortably repay. Consider alternative options. While Beforepay can be a valuable tool, explore other options like personal loans or credit cards if your needs exceed your Beforepay limit. Getting more money on Beforepay is a matter of responsible use and financial discipline. By following these strategies and tips, you can maximize your access to funds and make the most of this convenient financial service. Remember, Beforepay is a tool, and like any tool, it should be used wisely. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.